Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. Twoloosebricks here with a bizarre find, and this one is of a t-shirt that I got back in 2012, I believe it was. 13 maybe, I can't quite remember. There used to be a local skateboard shop around called West 49. Now I don't even know if they're still around anymore. I haven't seen them around here locally. I was in another province and I was at a Lego convention that our lug hosted, and they had a local store there. There was a family that was there, and the kids had this shirt on. And I said, "Where did you get that shirt?" And she said, "Oh, that's over at West 49 in the mall," which was just like maybe a 5-minute walk across from the convention center. So I decided to go over there afterwards and tracked a couple shirts down. Now mind you, they were kid-size shirts. However, I got the idea in my head, I wanted to make it fit. So what I did was I went and got a plain t-shirt from Walmart for $5, cut the front off the shirt and put it on my Walmart shirt. And what it says is West 49. I don't know if you can see it. It's spelled out in blocks or bricks or whatever you want to call it. It's pretty cool. So it was a pretty cool design, and it was like screen printed on their shirt. Of course, it was way too small for me, so this is what I decided to do. So anyway, this was a weird and wonderful find, and that's what I ended up doing. I like stuff like this, and I don't know if I'll keep it as a shirt for down the road for posterity, or just take it off and put it down in my Lego display for display purposes. So whatever, you guys let me know down in the comments what you think about this shirt and maybe what I should do with it. Keep it as a shirt or put it just on the display. So that's just a quick bizarre find I wanted to show you, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell for notifications for future endeavors and uploads to our channel, and I will talk to you guys again very shortly.